Another way to do this instead of doing the long division with decimals is to have them both as written as fractions. So we already have water written as a fraction of 21/25, but if we wanted to make seafoam into a fraction, we had 25%. So, oops, sorry about that. We started over here as 25% with seafoam. And we know that 25% really means 25 out of 100. And we know that that isn't 25 over 100 is not simplified. We can think of quarters here. That's what I always like to think of. And so I know that I could divide both of those by 25. So 25 over 25. And that would leave me with 1/4. So we would still divide the same number by the same number, just in a different form. So we would take 84 over 100, and we would divide that by 1/4. So again, this is just another option. We could use any of these. We could use fractions, we could use decimals, as long as you have them both in the same format. Now when I do that, I know that dividing by a fraction is really just multiplying by the reciprocal. So we'd really be multiplying by 4 over 1. And I would do 84 times 4 first. And 84 times 4 is 336. And 100 times 1 is 100. When I do this, I can say, okay, how many times does 100 go into 336? Well, I know that it goes in 3 times with 36 left over. And once I do this, I know that 36 and 100 can both be divided by 4. I know that off the top of my head. So I would end up with 3 and 9/25. And that would be my answer. So it is the water, the UV rays are reflected by water 3 and 9/25 times more than they're reflected by seafoam.